What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you the top 3 ways teenagers are making real money online. And honestly, even if you're younger, nothing's stopping you. But before you click away thinking, why should I even listen to this kid? Well, let me tell you straight. I make over $15,000 per month, and I've got more than 320,000 followers on social media. So yeah, I know what I'm talking about. And trust me, the third method I'm going to share is so beginner-friendly that literally anyone can start it today. But don't sleep on the other 2, because those can scale you to insane income. So if you're serious about making money, stick around till the end, because you don't want to miss a single detail. Now listen carefully, because this first method can literally take you from a couple $1,000s a month to $20,000 plus per month if you scale it right. It's called VRA, Viral Repost Agency. And let me warn you, this is probably the hardest one to start, but once it's rolling, it's like a money printer. There's a guy named Jake Sujanani, maybe you've heard of him. He's big on Instagram with around 90K followers, and he makes over $20K a month just with this model. So if he can do it, you can too. Step 1. Make a professional Instagram account. Not some weird SpongeBob 1235 username, bro. Your real name, a clean profile pic, and some decent content like reels or carousels. This builds trust. Step 2. Pick your niche. Don't just post random stuff. If you love finance, pick finance. If you love dogs, pick dogs. Whatever excites you, because that niche will decide which creators you'll work with. Step 3. Now here's where the money comes in. Find theme pages in your niche with 100K plus followers and 10K plus story views. DM them like this. Hey, I need you to repost some videos on your story. How many story views do you usually get? If their numbers are good, boom, that's your ticket. Pro tip, don't stop after one DM. Send 5-10 every day. The more you reach out, the more opportunities you get. How you make money. This is genius. You either buy story slots from these theme pages or buy the whole page. Then you go to small creators in your niche, those struggling to get views, and you make them this insane offer. Hey name, I'm a video editor and I've got a special deal. I'll edit your videos, and if your reel doesn't get at least 10,000 views, you don't pay a dime. Why does this work? Because when those theme pages repost, your client is guaranteed views. And if you're smart, you price it so that both you and the creator win. The more outreach you do, the more clients you sign, the more money you make. Simple math. And just wait until you hear method 2, because that's the one I personally use to make $10K, $15K a month with almost no effort. Alright, now pay attention, because this is where the money gets stupid simple. I make $10K, $15K a month doing this, and it doesn't even feel like work. I literally resell vendor lists. Yup, not products. The vendors themselves. So let's say you see fake AirPods, Spider hoodies, Air Maxes. I'm not selling the actual products. That's illegal. What I sell are the links to vendors who sell them, and people are buying like crazy. Here's how you do it. Make a professional Instagram account. Get a vendor list. You can start with mine, link below. Buy 1-2 products for cheap just to showcase. Create a Shopify store. Install the digital downloads app. Upload your vendor list PDF. Done. When someone buys, the file auto-delivers to their email. Zero manual work. Now, how do you promote? Copy the same exact strategy I use. Post short reels 2-3 times a day showing off these products, but make it clear you're not selling the fake stuff. You're selling the plug. The crazy part? Every reseller who buys from you can also start reselling the vendors, so it's like an endless loop of money. Think about it. Once you have your Shopify plus Instagram, you just keep posting and the money keeps rolling. And now we're at method 3. The one I said is the easiest and most beginner-friendly. And no, don't roll your eyes. I know it sounds basic, but hear me out. Starting a lawn mowing business can actually scale to thousands of dollars a month if you do it right. Start with equipment. Borrow it from neighbors or family if you don't have your own. Go door-to-door offering to mow with their mower. Tell them you're saving up for your own. Next, advertise. Flyers, Facebook groups, word of mouth, door knocking. Even if you don't live in a neighborhood, partner with someone who has a car, truck. Pay them $15, $20 an hour to drive while you handle lawns. Once you've got a few clients, reinvest in ads, door hangers, Facebook ads, whatever works in your area. And if you want to scale fast, I've built an entire academy that walks you through step by step, with weekly live calls and a community of people doing the same thing. Links in the description. So here's my question for you. Which one of these 3 money-making methods actually sounds fun to you? Because whichever one excites you the most, that's the one you should chase. Don't just sit here and binge watch, actually take action. If it's VRA, rewind and get started. If it's vendor reselling, grab my list in the description. If it's lawn mowing, sign up for the academy. Either way, pick one today. Remember, money loves speed. The faster you start, the faster you win. So smash that subscribe button and let's get this money together.